Okay, one more time. I'll try this. Once again, I apologize for not bringing you the content that you deserve. Going to Valles Caldera Thursday or Friday. I am very limited with no transportation except for my folks driving. So do I have my package yet? It doesn't look like it. No package. Okay, well, so much for that. This has not been a good week. Christmas. Let me see here. Christmas just was too sad for me. I can't travel. I wanted more than anything to travel for my 50th birthday in February, and there's a possibility I may not, at least until, I don't know, the COVID situation gets better. But everybody, at least here, are saying that they don't think it will get better. They hope it will for my sake. They don't think the COVID situation will get better by early February, when my birthday, my 50th birthday. They don't think it will get better by then. I mean, how can I have optimism and hope when all my hopes have been dashed this year? And it's hard for people to have hope for a better 2021 when things have just gone so bad. So these buses here not running. It's a very sad situation around the world, especially in places where there's very little population. And I want to get out of town, hit the road so bad. I have the money. Having no car, really limits me on what I can do. It has to be very close by, and when I can possibly get a ride, I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. Please don't give up on me, guys. Please don't give up on me. You guys are my lifeline right now, and it means more than anything that you subscribe to my channel. It just means so much. I just can't even begin to describe. I don't want to let you down. I don't want to disappoint you. I can't lose what I have and would have worked so hard to bring to my life. So, I don't want to get emotional. So I'm going to Subway here. Get a sandwich. Oh, jeez. Traffic jam here. There's always these spots, like the most traffic here. This is our version, my neighborhood's version of a park. Not much here. I like this place more in the summer. It's a little, this kind of weather, I'm like immune to it because of where I came from. So it doesn't bother me that much. Papa Murphy's. Yeah, I don't know. I've never had Papa Murphy's pizza. Oh my God! The nail spa is open. It's been closed for a long time. Nail spa. So, nail spa has been closed for a hot minute. So that's good. It's open. I need to get a pedicure so bad. Spa pedicure, that'd be nice. I don't know if they're doing the other services or not. I love Subway. And love affair with Subway forever. Over here. So here we go. There's Death Cliffs. So, see, only carry out. Hi. How are you? Pretty good. I have my Subway card today.
Yes.
When will things ever go back to normal? It's hard to know. It's hard to know. I guess it is here. Whoa. Chicken teriyaki. Should I get the sweet onion chicken teriyaki? Okay, get. I love the sweet onion chicken teriyaki. I had that the other day, Saturday, so I will. Let me get something else today. 2 days ago. Oh. Hi. How are you? That's a wrap. Let's see. Can I get the Veggie Delight footlong? White bread. And that doesn't come with cheese like by itself, right?
It can come with cheese if you want. It's not extra.
Okay. No, because I can't have cheese. Well, most kinds of cheese. Were you here on Saturday? Oh, I remember you now. Kim.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. Hasn't gotten better in the last 2 days. I don't get out again until tomorrow.
No cheese at all?
No, I can't have cheese. Yeah, I want onions,
What else?
guacamole, and let's see, peppers. Peppers.
The bell peppers?
Yeah, these right here. Let's see. Are these hot peppers right here?
That's green chili,
Oh, green chili.
but the jalapenos are spicier than it, so.
Right. I like jalapenos personally. Can I get some green chili?
Yeah.
And oh, did I say lettuce or not?
No, you didn't.
Oh, I'm sorry. Lettuce. Sweet onion dressing. And you have oil and vinegar? I guess that should do it.
Just like that, that works?
Yeah, and I'm gonna get a drink. I'm not gonna get the chips. I'm just gonna get the drink. So
Small, medium, or large?
large.
Large?
Yeah.
Your total's gonna be $12.88.
Okay. Should be 15 on
You
there.
could slice it.
Oh, okay. Sticky.
The other way?
Other way.
Did you want your receipt?
No, that's all right. Okay. Oh, that looks so good.
You never gave me your number.
Oh, that's right. I never gave you my number. You want to write it down?
Yeah, I can write it down.
Okay. It's 505 449 7052.
5-2?
Yeah, 52. It's a new number. I had the same Chicago number for like 16 years. So I finally changed it because I was getting all these Chicago, those
Yeah.
crazy Chicago numbers. So I just decided to change it.
I've been waiting for you to come back. I was
Oh, I'm
thinking
sorry.
about you so much.
I'm sorry. I should have come back yesterday. I don't remember. I think I was. I don't even remember what I was doing yesterday.
I was thinking about you so much.
Aw, thanks.
Call her.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I have a Target card too, but I don't get to go out until tomorrow because I don't have a car. So I'm just depressed. I want to get out.
Well, I'll text you later, and if you ever need a ride, I'll keep.
Oh, okay, thank you. Is Target open or?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Okay, because I was seeing online that it was like closed or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Who knows? But I wanted to get a few things from there because I have a $25 gift cards.
Okay. I'll be texting you later. So.
Okay, thank you. Oh,
Did you get your cup?
no.
It was a large, right?
Yeah.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, jeez. I'm going to get the flavored waters. Ooh, blackberry citrus, agua fresca, mango lime, agua fresca. Loving this. Love Subway. Try Tibet Kitchen sometime. I'm gonna try well, no, I've been to Chinese place, but I haven't been to Tibet Kitchen yet. So, oh boy. Nice. Okay. Okay. Got my straw on the ground. Okay, let's carry this home. Okay. It's a nice looking green pepper over there. Take care.
You too.
All right. Okay, folks. Well, I made a new friend. That is awesome. That is totally awesome. I made a new friend. I mean, this would not happen in Oak Park, Chicago. She offered, I told her my situation with the car. She offered to give me a ride if I needed to go out. And she said she missed me and she wanted my number. Wow. People are awesome here. Well, maybe this isn't such a bad weekend and Monday after all. Maybe not. Maybe not. So, I'm gonna eat this. So, okay. Well, it is really awesome. My Subway sandwich, and I made a new friend, the cashier at Subway. I have to set this stuff down and cut out my video here. Oh, yeah. Okay. That'd make a good picture right there, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that make a great picture? I don't know. Yeah. Subway. Okay, Subway cup and like I call it mini graffiti because it's not real big. But anyway, I love you all. Now it just takes a few seconds and you make a new friend. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? Thumbs up for that. So I love you. Thumbs up appreciated. Have a great day. Stay safe, please, everybody. Stay safe. I love you. Bye bye.